Today on Lone Star Grillz, we've got a special treat for you. It's cheesy, smoky, and packed with flavor from some delicious brisket. This smoked queso is a real crowd pleaser. In a previous video, we used our cold smoke mode on our Lone Star pellet smoker to smoke up some cheddar and pepper jack cheese. We're going to be using that in today's queso. We have 8 ounces of pepper jack, which we've cubed into 1-inch squares, 16 ounces of smoked cheddar, and 16 ounces of Velveeta or an equivalent. For our protein, we've got some leftover brisket. We're adding a little over 1 pound that we've chopped up. Then 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with chilies, 2 small or 1 large chopped onion, 2 rough chopped jalapenos, a handful of chopped cilantro, and lastly, if you have any of our south of the border rub on hand, coat the top generously for some extra flavor. And now that this is all ready to go, it's time to get outside and fire up the pit. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker. Preheat to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get your queso on, close the lid, and let it go for about 1 hour. Then give it a good stir and get it back on the smoker for about 1 more hour. An hour later, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for at least 10 minutes. Now you can serve it up just the way you like to your family and friends. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.